It's time for my song of the week. It's Brooke and Jeffrey in the morning. And you may not see this in the news because there's a few kind of bigger issues going on right now. But
Really? The news seems pretty chill.
something that is flying under the radar is right now at this moment in history, the pizza wars between the big boys are more tense than ever.
Dude, how many food wars are happening right now? I just saw something about burger wars and all those CEOs going back and forth.
Team Burger King on that one.
None are as big as the pizza wars, though. I'm talking about Pizza Hut, Dominoes, Papa John's, and Little Caesars.
Oh, yeah. The big four?
Even though fast food sales in general are slumping nationwide, somehow pizza keeps on growing.
It's timeless, baby.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Domino's just reported they made $1.54 billion in revenue last year.
And they were struggling for a while, remember?
Yeah, and that's Billy Goats, billion.
That is crazy.
They somehow still need to raise their prices?
Yeah, totally.
Well, and the other guys, they're not doing too bad either. They opened about 700 new locations around the world in 2025 alone.
Oh, it makes sense. Pizza's like the cheapest thing to make.
Well, like Starbucks is like shutting down all their locations, and these guys are growing?
Pizza's thriving. And how are they doing it? By being innovators.
Oh.
Duh. They've got double XL New York style pizzas, hot honey nacho stuffed crust pizzas, jalapeno pizza popper party packs, and meal deals for literally every hour of the day.
That's actually
Do you want a 2 a.m. cinnamon twist pizza with extra ravioli for $3 off? Done. They've got a deal for that.
Okay.
And it makes it kind of hard as a true pizza lover to pick which one do I order from? They're all so good with so many options.
I don't know.
So that's why I knew I had to sing a song in honor of the ongoing and ever-growing pizza wars in America.
Oh, man.
This is going to make me hungry.
Text in your favorite, by the way. I want to hear.
Instead of doing the all-time classic by Queen, Another One Bites the Dust,
Wow.
it's Young Jeffrey's Another One Stuffs the Crust.
I'll never sing the song again the same.
You know what? I hear you, Brooke, that this might make you hungry. So just to make sure that my in-studio co-host audience is 100% focused, I got you guys pizza.
Oh,
Domino's is here.
I've never
Hot
loved
fives.
Dude, what's your Is this real?
Let's give him a tip. Here.
Oh my gosh.
Thanks, bro.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Can we do the song later, Jeff? I'm hungry.
I'm just gonna eat
This is the
now.
most excited you guys have ever been about a song of the week before.
No,
The
seriously.
cheese is perfectly
my
browned
God.
All right,
on
well,
this one.
I'm still going to sing. So if you guys want to pay attention or not, that's fine.
This is so good.
So I'm going to point when I'm ready. Here we go. Points.
In a world where pizza deals keep getting bigger, toppings keep getting wilder, and no promotion is too outrageous, this summer, 4 chains battle for total pizza domination.
Hot dough. Fingers scrolling the Uber Eats, which deep dish I want more. Pizza Hut pies are loaded with meats, but so are the Dominoes. Hot and ready, hey, for a pie to the lips. Little Caesar's got the one that I need. I like my ladies like my breadsticks. Hot and kinda crazy, yeah. Dip 'em. Another one bites the crust. At the Pentagon after dusk. And another deal's on mini cinnamon buns. A mix and match, $7, yeah. Hey, the Letchya Choose ANY 2. I'm falling in pizza lust. Yummy!
Hi, can I order the triple-decker Ultimate Supreme Pizza Apocalypse Infinite Feast box? I've got a $5 coupon code.
Why do you think I'm at this Papa John's eating tubs of garlic sauce? I ate all the boneless wings that they had and licked inside of the box. Cause I'm hungry for a wheel of food on a pulsing blanket of cheese. Deliver them like in a Pixar flick. A little piece of Wally's cheese. Another one stuffs the crust. Cause they fill it in random junk. Like a little hot dogs and mac and cheese balls. A sprinkle of Cheeto dust, yeah. Hey, you probably walk weird too if Papa John stuffed your crust.
Yeah, also, can I get the Early Bird Avalanche Ranch Double Heart Stuffer Cheese NATO Bowl for one? But could I get it with double meatballs and an extra easy breezy cheesy sauce?
Oh, Caesars! Got the crazy pumps. I'm double dipping.
I would like to send my girlfriend a Valentine's Day heart-shaped pepperoni passion pizza. Can you spell her name in pepperonis and put a note that says, "You're the marinara to my mozzarella"? And when I get home, I want to dunk my breadsticks with you all night long. Can you read that back to me?
A Pizza Hut deal for lunch. Papa Diaz for a midday munch. Do dinner with the Caesar's crunch. After Dominoes Sunday brunch. Hey.
Wait, is that a Pizza Hut pepperoni pool float with a built-in heated pizza pouch? I need to get that.
I bought a case of the perfume brand so I can smell like a calzone. I've been merging like an urchin on the pizza glasses and pizza couch pillows. Yeah, they got your boozy, humming Dominoes tunes. Papa John's got shacaronis. But I wanna know which pizza wins when Ninja Turtles hungry for cheese. Oh, Cowabunga, dude. Another one bites the crust. A kid's birthdays, it's a must. When Little League's done, any celebration, my Brisk, we sliced it up, yeah. Hey, and if you're desperate, dude, Sbarro's got New York stuff authentic. Happy Pizza Wars, everyone.
My new favorite song of the week.
That's great.
You're just saying that because of the free food.
Well, can I put a request in for what food you want to sing about next week? Should we get another delivery?
I want to sing about pho.
The fry war is heating up, is it not?
I will get on it just to make sure that you guys are fed for the rest of our time here.
That was great, Jeff.
That was your song of the week.
Thank
you can
you.
text in to 78592 and tell us what you thought. We're going to post the video up on all of our socials with all the lyrics there on our TikTok, our Instagram, our Facebook, so you can watch Brooke eat pizza during the song.
Stop talking so much so I can just get back to this lunch.
All right, we'll
Yes.
leave so that we can feast. We got your phone tab coming up right after this.